Young wifey. Take a shot with me. What's this cheers to? Say more life to the young homies. Where you trying to get to? We're gonna let you walk. We'll walk them around for a second after we leave. Let them walk. Put some fresh fish on your stomach before you lay down for bed. Young Z. You ain't leaving none of this shrimp in here. At some point. Thank you so much. At least we get a birthday gift. Oh. Thank you. Oh, that's who we had matcha mochi at another wish for the B-Day, man.